Alrighty, we went to the International Kite Festival. What is this here? You didn't get a good picture of that. That was like a little, that was like a ship.
Yeah.
Multi-mast ship. And as you can see from a distance, it looks like a giant Tim Burton movie.
Yeah, I mean, the wind was blowing. I mean, the kites look like, oh, they're just sort of hanging there. There was a lot of wind.
That's a turtle. You like the turtle? You
Yeah, I like
the seahorse? What are these doohickeys right here? I don't even know. That's like a...
There were frogs.
This is Finding Nemo.
Well, it was interesting because some of them, like the centipede, or, you know, if you caught them just right, or the stingray up there, they would move like you would expect the animal to move, which was great.
And what about the 3 cats off the distance?
Well,
I didn't even notice those when I was there, I don't think. But I didn't spend this much time over here in this area here with the parrot, the cats and all that.
Mm-hmm.
But see, look how in, you know, relation to the size of these fellas, how big these things are. I mean, they're ginormous. If one of those fell on you, it could knock the wind out of you.
I don't think so. But it was interesting how they'd be tiered. Like, see, this centipede is the bottom piece because he needs a few more strings. He's on the same string as the stingray.
Okay, but that catches more air, so that almost helps to lift the centipede off the ground.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I couldn't figure out, are these supposed to be like a LBGT?
Yeah, see, I don't know, because with kites, you want them to be colorful anyway.
I mean,
so
all kites are gay. It doesn't matter what color it is. I like your shot of the shadow on the ground there.
But they just had a lot of stuff that I hadn't thought through. They had like battles, kite battles. You were supposed to take down the other kites.
Yeah,
and,
there's a lot of aggression underlying the kite festival. A lot of frustrated kite flyers.
Oh, wasn't this cool?
You were more interested in this. I didn't get this.
Okay, but each one of these kites is controlled by one of those people on the ground.
Well, duh.
Each of those kites has 4 strings, and they were going for a world record. It was pretty impressive.
Yeah, I mean, it looks cool.
They didn't get all tangled. They didn't. Oh my! I was just amazed. And these were experienced folks. But yeah, they were going for a world record. They were trying to get 100 quad kites up in the air at one time.
Yeah, they were trying over like probably the course of a few days, maybe. So.
Yeah, they had a couple of time frames that they thought the weather would be good.
I think there's like around 70 kites in that other shot right there. I think there's less in this one right here. This was where they were trying it earlier, and this was shot from quite a little bit of a distance with the shabby camera, so it's not in focus very much.
But I was pretty amazed at what some of these people were doing with kites. Like those quad kites were pretty amazing. 100 people, or okay, 70 people, whatever.
Are we still talking about the quad kites? Because there's a turtle there now.
Yes. And then there was somebody who was controlling 3 kites himself.
Yeah. Do we have video of that?
No.
There's no point in talking about it.
No.
Well, let's just talk about what's on the video instead of...
Okay. Yeah, there's the 2 devils, although the red devil in the back was having some problems.
Mm-hmm.
He was sort of kissing
I don't even remember seeing these, but this was the second day. I didn't go down to the beach that much.
The insects were I just thought those were clever.
Yeah.
I didn't see a lot of those.
Yeah, they had some super duper cool ideas. There's one coming up with the underwater diver lady, the octopus ones. There was the big dog one, which I don't think I have in this video. But I mean, just so many different ideas. There's the what did I say? A scuba diver, and that's perfect for pretty much anything that's underwater will look good in the sky. Like the fish looks like a fish. The seahorse look how the octopus looks.
There it's like
and you can't really tell from this video, but that octopus is like, what is it? Probably like 20 or 30 feet long.
Yeah.
I mean, it's crazy. It's as big as a damn whatever those things old people get in to drive across country with. A recreational vehicle. They're as big as an RV. Oh, but man, it's so colorful. It was, I mean, I don't smoke marijuana, although technically I guess semi-legal. This is probably a good spot to smoke something or drop something. That's what the kids say. They drop drugs, they drop it. But look at that octopus off in the distance. And they had some of these things anchored down with big buckets of sand.
Oh, yeah.
Because I mean, it I mean, I imagine you could, a small child would have gotten carried away by something. You know? That would have been, I would have enjoyed seeing that. There weren't that many children here. I mean, there were some kids, but
maybe
it was
they've all
mostly,
been lifted away.
but I don't know, nobody seemed distressed. But it was a lot of big kids, you know, it's like a lot of old people are into kites. Old and the old at heart.
I wouldn't say that at all.
Yeah.
I thought there was a variety.
Yeah, but it was a good time. So it was the International Kite Festival, the Washington International Kite Festival.
Yeah.
But if you get a chance to go see a kite festival, it was well worth doing.
Yeah, it was pretty amazing.